Hey everybody, it's Gail from Life Begins After 50, and today's video is not sponsored. Every once in a while, I buy a product or I get a hold of a product that is so very special that I feel like I need to share it with my followers. This is one of those. It is something I have been needing for many, many years, but because my husband and I moved around a lot and traveled, I just never decided to take the plunge and get it. Boy, what a mistake. So we've been in our house a year and a couple of months now, and I finally decided to take the plunge and get a jewelry cabinet. I popped online, I did my research, did not want to spend a ton of money, found a great one on Amazon. The company is called Song Mix. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Got really good reviews, several styles, several wood tones. I selected a rustic wood, which matched our bedroom, and this is a pretty enough piece that it really can sit in your bedroom. It doesn't need to sit in a closet. So it looks just like a standing mirror. And I'm going to move this a little bit for you guys so you can see. I have a little bit of a messy bedroom, but I wanted you to see that I'm 5'6", and when it's standing upright, it's not too much shorter than me. So you've got the mirror, you've got the little shelf and the drawer on the bottom that opens. But my favorite part is this. It is the inside of the jewelry cabinet, and I am going to move around and show you how many fun things that this has. I never thought I'd be able to fit the majority of my stuff in this piece, but guess what? I do. Starting with the top, little lights up here that you could try on your jewelry, put it on, and look at it to see how it lands on you, if it's the right color, size, style, whatever. It runs on battery. I just turned it off. So over here, we've got the hanging earrings, bracelets and watches, necklaces of different sizes, and a little pouch. And on the other side, we've got a couple of little plastic bins. I use the plastic bins for my large earrings. You could use it for all kinds of things. I have seen gals and even guys use some of these things for makeup and skincare. I don't have a need for that, but I do have a need for all of my jewelry. And there's more area right here for hanging necklaces. These little slits that you probably can't see, but there's slits, and rings would fit in there. I don't have a ton of rings. I'm not really a ring person. So what's neat about this and really cool is that some of the things can be revised and adapted to what you want them to. So I'll have to come up with something else because I don't have enough rings, but I certainly have more jewelry pieces. Down here, bracelets and large earrings, like large hoops and things like that. And then I have miscellaneous stuff and these little cubicles that don't fit anywhere else. So isn't it cute? The best part of this jewelry cabinet, besides the price, less than $150, I put it together in less than an hour. I read the reviews. A lot of folks said that they put this together in 20 minutes. That's not me. I am not gifted at putting things together quickly, but guess what? I could do it, and if I can do it, you can do it, because age is just a number, and this is not about age. It's about person, and the directions were clear enough that I was able to figure it out. They sent you the little tools that you needed. So you needed nothing but the little batteries that go on top so you can put the little lights on. So this has made my life amazing, because when I get dressed now, I am not looking in 3 different drawers and cabinets in my closet for my jewelry. It's 90% of it now is all in this jewelry cabinet, and I don't know if you can see, I have a small jewelry armoire on the other side, which is great, but I outgrew that years ago. I highly, highly recommend investing in a piece like this, because if you're a lover of jewelry like I am and you want everything in one place, you can be organized. So that's my DIY for the day, and I plan to be sharing more DIY with you because I have confidence now. I've put together a few things. It might take me a little longer than some, but I can do it. And if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe and you will never miss another video.